What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will show you how to send crypto from Binance to Atomic Wallet. So, you might be wondering how to exactly do so. Well, the first thing that you want to do here is you want to get your wallet address from your Atomic Wallet. So, you want to go ahead and open up your Atomic Wallet here. So, by the way, you can access it via the actual extension for it. So, go ahead and open up the Atomic Wallet here. So, usually in this case, it is. You want to go ahead and log in. In this case, it should open up this page here for your wallet. Now, from here, what we need to do is you want to access your wallet here, and you want to go ahead and select whichever token or crypto you want to receive here. Now, the very important section here that you need to know here is you need to make sure that you're choosing the correct network. So in my case, I'm going to use, like, for example, I want to receive ETH here. Let's go and select ETH. Now, by the way, if you want to use a different network for this one, like for example, ETH to use the BSC network, go ahead and select the appropriate one here. But then again, I'm going to use the default one here, ETH to use the ETH network. Now, what we need to do is we need to go ahead and click on receive, and you should be able to see your Ethereum address. Now, you can go ahead and just copy it, and let's go ahead and open up our Binance account. Now, in here, you want to go and click on your wallet at the top right here, and you want to go and choose spot. And at the top section here, we want to go and choose withdraw, since we want to transfer from Binance to Atomic Wallet. Now, you want to go and select your coin. You want to go ahead and choose ETH here, since we want to transfer ETH. But if you want to transfer a different one, go ahead and choose the appropriate one here. And you want to go ahead and enter the actual address. Now, from here, you want to select your network. Again, like what I said before, it's really important that you choose the correct network here. Since I'm using ETH, let's go and choose ETH. Now, you just need to specify the amount that you want to send here, and also keep in mind the in this case, the network fee for this one. So make sure you have enough whenever you're making transfer. But once you fill out the details, go ahead and click on withdraw here, and just approve the transaction, and you should be good. Now, again, I'm going to specify this. You need to make sure that your network is correct here. So keep that in mind. But in this case, that's about it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.